Hello, welcome to Elijah Spatial. In this quick tutorial, we'll look at how to create aspect using the surface parameter tool. So to do that, we just go to geoprocessing and then we just search for surface parameter. And we'll pick the one that is saying spatial analyst, not the 3D analyst. So click on it and then we bring in our Chachanga local government that we'll be using, and then the input marks will be this. Then the parameter type, we will change it to aspect, leaving it at quadratic and leaving every other thing the way it is, and we click on run. And there you have it. And that's it, guys, for today. So thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.